Okay, problem number 9 is asking me to again look at the syllogism in problem number 7 and to answer from the Boolean standpoint. Okay, so the first thing I could do is I could look at my page 267 or my 5.1 handout that has the two charts that have all of the valid argument forms, and if I see an OIO in figure 3, which is what this argument is, if I see that on my unconditionally valid chart, then I know that this is valid with no fallacy from the Boolean standpoint. So I'm going to look at that chart, and then I'm going to quickly realize it's not on this chart. It's an invalid argument, and if I did my Venn diagram correctly in problem number 8, I'll see I had a couple of X's on lines. So what I have to do is figure out what rule it breaks. And so to do that, I'm just going to come down here and mark all my distributed terms, right? So the conclusion is an O claim, and the first premise is an O claim, and I know that O claims distribute their predicates. So I'm just going to put a little D next to the predicate there. Now I know rule number 1 says that the middle term has to be distributed at least once, and the middle term here is M. And it's not distributed at all. So this is an invalid argument because it's got an undistributed middle. So the answer to 9 is E, undistributed middle.